I'm building something called the Infinity Game. I'll wake it up. It has a 12-character display with arcade buttons and LEDs. It has a 3D printed oval-shaped box. It's built on the Arduino platform. It's called the Infinity Game because an infinity of games are possible on that platform if they're just built. I will go ahead and press the button to start. I have 2 games planned so far. A slot machine game that will display dirty words, and then if they match, you'll get some points. And a reaction time game. And if it times out, it goes back to the main menu. So I will press a button again, go into the time machine game. So this is designed to test your reaction time. So let's go ahead and get started. It will do 3 rounds. And when I see a flash, I'm just supposed to press one of the buttons. Saw a flash, 175 milliseconds. Do it again. 183 milliseconds. It's a random delay before it displays the flash, so you can't guess it. 181 milliseconds. It'll display my average time. And then the best time so far, which I recorded earlier, and take you back to the main menu. The slot machine game will display dirty words, and when they line up, you'll get some points. It's not built yet. When I long press at the main menu, you'll go into options, but aren't any yet. That's to be built, but I'm testing the button mechanics. And finally, there is a secret middle menu here to go back into sleep mode, which it will also automatically do after 15 minutes sitting at the billboard menu.